Our enterprise is a part of the holding company for the production of pharmaceuticals in Irkutsk. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a granulator to an automatic line for self-adhesive labels. At the end of the year, the plant management decided to produce a new product, condoms, to expand the product range. Condom packaging is an automatic process of laying out condoms in cells with subsequent packaging in metallized films for individual and group packaging. Equipment for production of this medical product was already purchased. We were producing condoms in group packs of 2 per plate. It was necessary to purchase a cardboard machine for packing condoms into cardboard boxes. I had been working for 20 years as a chief engineer at the company and knew all the technological processes well. I made the choice of a new one myself, coordinating it with the management before the purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market, processes were changing and automated. It was necessary to choose the modern equipment with easy and comfortable control. Since I had already chosen many different machines for our company, I had a little experience in selecting and remaining contacts of some reliable manufacturers of equipment. I began contacting the manufacturers by phone and asked if they could produce a cardboard machine. I specified compact with automatic controls as my main criteria. I was not prepared to wait that long. Since I could not find a manufacturer for the carton machine, I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest another option for the machine. I searched the internet for an intermediary from Russia because I once had a bad experience with equipment supplied by a Chinese intermediary when they brought us a line for packaging powder, but there were no installation documents or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All the companies I called to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. 5 days later I received 10 variants of different carton packaging machines from them, and an offer to make a choice on my own. I realized that they did not have a professional approach, and they would not help me in solving the problem of finding the equipment. The last, 3rd intermediary option, turned out to be a good one for me. The male manager talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, the number and form of condoms, told me about the terms of delivery. During the consultation stage, he suggested a machine for packing condoms in cardboard boxes, which I was able to quickly coordinate with the management of the company. Within a week we concluded a contract for delivery of equipment. The specialist of the company offered to test the machine and asked to send the blanks of our boxes and condoms for packaging. The manager informed us 2 weeks before the delivery and sent a video where we could see our machine. Condoms were moved by gripper into the cell on the conveyor belt and folded up to a certain amount. Depends on the parameters set in the settings of the equipment. Blanks, from which the package was formed, were folded and held together with the help of metal fixtures for fixation. Then rectangular boxes were formed on the technological line, and the process of condom packaging was carried out. The equipment has a modern control system with an LCD screen. The working area is covered with plastic shields for protection from external influences. A month after signing the contract, we received the cardboard machine. The manager provided us with the manufacturer's guarantee, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. He assembled the machine and trained the workers, who would be assigned to the machine within a week. We were satisfied with the equipment. The machine for packing condoms into cardboard boxes turned out to be more productive than we expected. However, it gave us an opportunity to increase our production capacity. The competent advice saved me time and helped me avoid mistakes I might have made if I had made the choice myself. It is difficult to find professionals in the equipment business. I am very glad that in the end, I was lucky to meet such a person. I am satisfied with the result of the work done, and I am ready to help create products to improve the quality of human life with full determination.